Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark here, and today we're going to be building a simple news blog. And before you hear is a simple pretty much UI design, and we're going to be building this in with Tailwind and Astro. Now the first thing we're going to do is to head to the Astro main website and pretty much get all the, once you're stuck, I'll add this down in the description below, so in case you feel you are stuck, just pretty much head to the website and you'll get help on whatever you are stuck with. Now I'm gonna put this design UI on the side. I'll pretty much add this as well in the repository. Now the next thing you're gonna do is to create a directory where you are gonna design your application. Okay, so now if I open up the terminal over here, all I'm gonna do, you can pretty much create a directory on your desktop or anywhere you prefer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna paste that code, okay, and then it's gonna ask for yeah, to install the latest. I'll accept that. So here is where you enter the name of your application, I believe. Then yeah, so this is gonna, I'm gonna fast forward this so that we don't keep on waiting. Now the next thing to install Tailwind with Astro is to pretty much head to the Astro Tailwind documentation and just get that. So in here I'm gonna say I don't think this application is gonna use TypeScript. Pretty much, let's say no, and then yes, and then there we are. So the next thing is we're gonna install Tailwind. Okay, so sorry, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cd into the news app. Okay, yes, so now we are in the news app, and then that's when we shall install Tailwind. Yes, 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 there we are. So now we have the fully fledged application in here, and now the first thing that we can do is to test if whether our application is running. Npm run is it? Yeah. So since I want to open this in Firefox, there we are. So our application came with some boilerplates, and that's what we're going to be using to start with. Okay, so now let's figure out what's going on in here. So it created sample pages for us. This is a card, and this is the actual card over here, and then it has a layout. Pretty much go through all this. Then it has you know, the home page. Okay, so one thing you're going to notice in Astro over here is that in Astro, if you want to create a new page like about services and all that, everything should be created in the pages directory. And then in layouts, if we open up layouts over here, So now layouts, this is where just forget about this CSS, but in layouts, if you want to create a navigation menu, you would put it over here, and a footer, you'd put it over here. So now this slot is everything on the other pages. Okay, if you create like an about page, let me bring a sample for you here. So if you go to the new page, the content over here is the only content that is going to be changing. The navigation and footer will always be the same. So that's the beauty of using layouts. And so on each and every page you create, you need to import the layout, okay, just like you see over here. So now let me clean this up a little bit so that we start everything from scratch. So what I'm gonna do is to delete everything in here, okay, and then I'll delete the styles. So there we are, and then that's our home page. So in layouts, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete everything in here because I'm not gonna need any styles.